Alright, my lover. Welcome to Tallinn then. It's a lovely place. Hello from Tallinn in Estonia. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.
Hey, good morning. That sky is beautiful, isn't it? This is the morning reality. It's around 8 a.m. in Estonia. Looks like a great day. There's lots to do today. I've got a big list of things to go and see, places to eat. First, I'm going to have breakfast and then we're going to check the Orange Book to see what's potentially on for today. Activate the Botox. I think people here are taking COVID much more seriously than I've seen in some other countries, in terms at least of advertising, checking your certification and so on.
I travel with only hand luggage. It's because I do laundry. I take outfits for about 8 days. So once a week, I pop off to a local laundromat, do my washing. It's usually very, very inexpensive to do it, 5 or 10 euros or dollars. And it means I don't have to spend my time hauling around a big bag. This is the glamour of travel, sitting in a laundromat. It's about 20 minutes before I can get to use one of the machines. I'm not entirely certain that I can be trusted to ride one of these, but I've got to zoom about a little bit around the city today, and it might make sense if I learn or get comfortable in riding one of them. So I'm not going to film this bit. I will have a GoPro with me later, so I might try that out. Well, that was a lot of fun. It took 2 minutes to get back to my hotel from where the laundromat was, and there's a little parking zone which is right opposite the hotel, which is right there. Thanks to everybody who got in touch with suggestions to add to the Orange Notebook for Tallinn. It seems to be everyone's favourite place to go in Europe. I'll be the judge of that for Planet Patrick. The restaurant I went to last night, which I think was called NEVSKY, was one of the top recommendations for somewhere to eat. You'll have already seen that in the last episode. For today, we have the following: Toompea Hill, the viewing platforms on Toompea, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, coffee at kiosk number 1, restaurant F. Hoon for brunch. I'm not going to get to everything that was recommended. Thank you all the same. I think I'll have to come back to Tallinn another time. There's so many things to do, but let's get started with scooting into town. I'm back at the scooter area, and it's a very, very loud road. I'm heading into the old town now to do a little bit of touring and hopefully to meet a walking tour at around 1 o'clock. I'm going to try and use one of these scooters as far as I can get. I think you can't scoot in the old town. I'm going to film it on this little GoPro camera, which is on my bag. Let's see how we get on. Hopefully we won't fall. Oh, and it's starting to rain. Big hat going on. Thank you. That scooting reinforced the need to buy some gloves at some point today. And yes, I did say gloves. It's absolutely pouring here in Tallinn. Hopefully there's not too much rain on the lens of the camera, but me and Barbara the Seagull here are enjoying the view from this viewing platform, which is a piece of garden just behind Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. As the weather isn't spectacular, the view might be a little bit obscured. Alright, my lover. Welcome to Tallinn then. It's a lovely place. For you, Bristol. I'm sure I went to school with somebody called Tom Cooley. So this is Alexander NEVSKY Cathedral, built in a reconstructed Orthodox style at a time when Estonia was part of the Russian Empire. It was built at the end of the 19th century, beginning of the 20th century. Who knew what was going to come down the road within just 2 decades? I'm going to see if we can get inside. Well, that was kind of fascinating. A very small physical viewing area, much smaller than inside, say, a Catholic or an Anglican cathedral. Lots of gold. I got a tiny bit of film and then discovered that you couldn't film. I had to take off my hat. So I didn't mind any of that. Hopefully the tiny clip that I did get is enough to show you some sense of what it's like inside. The tour that I'm hoping to do a bit of starts in half an hour, which sounds to me like enough time to get a cup of coffee. Everywhere I try to feature local independent people. It's so wet today that the camera is getting steamy.
And you want to pay by card?
Is cash okay? Or?
Yes, of course. That's 5 and 30 cents.
Thank you. Oh well, I turned up at the tourist office for the advertised free walking tour that was taking place at 1 o'clock. It turns out it's taking place at 2 o'clock. That doesn't suit what I was hoping to do, so I have happily a list of other places that I'm going to go. Next is restaurant F Hoon. So I'm in this place called F Hoon, and my friend John got in touch to say Hoon is the word for building, so it's building F. It's like a big warehouse place, I guess, that they've converted over the years. It's kind of hipster cool. I mean, I fit into hipster cool, don't I? Stop it. Earlier I was calling a Seagull Barbara, and then I walk in here and there's this drink called a Barbara. Delicious. It's like a low sugar lemonade. So good. It'd be nice with alcohol in it though. So I've ordered 2 things. They seem, I already have a spoon in hand. They seem to be known for this coconut soup with the chicken. And I ordered some nachos with cheese because... So let's try this soup. Oh, that's delicious. Coconut, mushrooms, chicken, a little bit of spring onion, loads of spice. Oh, what about these nachos? It's cheese dip out of like a jar or something, but... And so I'm back out to the rain. Don't you love all the stickers on the door? I can do this now. I walked the whole way around the building trying to find my way in, and then worked out that there's a handle in the middle of the stickers. I'm clearly not hipster enough to go in there. That was really delicious, but as you can see, possibly it's still raining. It's 2:20. The lady at the laundry service said to come back between 2 and 3 o'clock. I'm going to zoot back over there on the scooter of destiny, and even though it's wet, we'll see a little bit of that along the way. I can see a scooter over here. done shopping for dinner and snacks for tomorrow's long bus journey. Oh yeah, I need to tell you about that. Tomorrow I'm leaving Tallinn. I've only been here for 2 days. I could spend a week here for sure. But tomorrow I'm leaving Tallinn and I'm going to Riga in Latvia. I'm traveling via Lux Express, which is a bus service or a coach service. And I'd heard about Lux Express because they have this kind of standard seating and business class seating, and the difference in the price is actually not that much, just a few euros. So if you want to see how that goes, that's going to be in tomorrow's episode. For tonight, let's add up what I got for dinner, because this is, after all, the budget bit. I found this supermarket, which was one of the nicest supermarkets I've ever been in. It was so lush. I got this piece of stracciatella pizza, and that cost €3. I got a soft drink which cost 90 cents. I got a skyr yogurt which cost 70 cents. I got a water which cost 55 cents. And I got a banana which cost 44 cents. So that's it for dinner. I am about to do some editing. Even in the rain, Tallinn is beautiful, but it gives you some idea of what it would be like here on a blue sky day. And I mean, in the snow, it would be stunning. I've picked a grey day when it's raining and it's still lovely. So I think this is going to be one of my top places so far. But there's so many more to explore. We've got Riga, Vilnius, Bremen, Cologne, and Frankfurt. Sehr gut! Onwards we go. Well, that about wraps up this episode of Planet Patrick from here in Tallinn in Estonia. What a lovely place it ended up being. Why I'm standing in this car park outside an old house, I don't know. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you can see the next episode, which is going to be a coach trip with Lux Express from here in Tallinn through to Riga in Latvia. Remember, you can support me by becoming one of my fantastic Patreons who keep me on the road, and you can follow live stories on Instagram at This Is Planet Patrick. In the meantime, and until that next episode, take care and bye-bye.
This is... where are we?
On this Baltics trip, I've picked... oh, there's a hearse. Hope that's not some kind of omen. This is Planet Patrick with a massive gull going past. Very wet one, that. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.